In the Stone Podcast.
Hey guys, welcome to the In the Stone podcast where our stories are written in the stone. My name is Baileys. Thanks for joining us, guys. Okay, so for this one's pretty close to my heart because I believe in this importance and we don't really talk enough about how much our circle affects us and the people around us, they shape us, who we are. There's this saying that it's like, it goes, tell me who your friends are and I can tell you who you are. And ibig sabihin nun parang kung sino yung mga kasama mo, who you spend most of your time with, reflects who you are as an individual. One question we can always, constantly ask ourselves, does this group of people or does this person bring out the best version of me? Do they truly support me in my endeavors? Ngayon, pag nasa group setting tayo, kahit sa usapang barkada lang, makikita na kagad natin yung differences ng conversations pa lang eh. If yung direction niya ay puro chismis or parang lagi nilang comparison sa iba or drama, then I suggest that we leave this group or that we don't spend as much time as we should in this group. Because there's this other side of the coin where that there are really people who are very supportive of you, who want to empower you, na maghihilhan kayo pataas. And yun yung mga kailangan nating makita sa hindi lang sa relationships natin, like your partner or your significant other. Meron ding mga red flags sa friendship and in group settings, in friend groups. And we should be very aware of these things and conscious of these things. That why is it that when I share something, the other person or this group of people, they don't give the same energy back to me or the reciprocation that I give to them. Na why is it that when I cheer them on, I don't get the right level of energy of support as well? And these are the questions that we should be answering sa sarili natin. Because if you're with the right people, shared joy means double the joy. And shared sorrow means half the sorrow. In that sense, if you're with the right group of people, if you're sharing the right energy to the right person, pag masaya ka and you give like good news or great news and positivity, dodoble yun eh. And iba rin yung support na mabibigay yun sa'yo. That's double the joy. And if you're feeling down, and if you're carrying too much or too many baggages and too many problems, which is like most of us, that's half the sorrow, meaning nababawasan siya kasi na-unload mo siya as long as you're unloading it to the right person or to the right people. I believe that there are people in your life that will be there for you in your lowest points and that you should take care of these people and that you should appreciate these people. But I feel mas importante yung mga tao na pag nananalo na tayo, when we start winning, when we start succeeding and progressing in life, find those people who are there for you as well, who are never afraid to give you support and to cheer you on. Because these are people that just want to bring out the best in you. Sila for me yung mas dapat nating pangalagahan. Hindi naman sa hindi dapat natin pinangangalagahan yung mga nandoon sa mga lowest points natin. Pero makikita mo lang yung difference of support. Because, there are levels to love and there are levels to relationship. Yung iba hanggang dito lang, pero yung iba hanggang doon din sa nabibigay mo sa mga tamang mga individuals as well. So I have this friend who's a breadwinner, eventually made a name for himself in journalism. He's been chasing this dream to become one of the best journalists in the country. And he already made waves in it. But somehow, some way, after graduating in college, he had this calling of applying abroad and studying abroad in Canada. And namroblema siya for a while because as he was having this courtside stint that he was already doing well with, he set aside that application of his because nakuha siya. Yung nakuha siya, parang sinantabi niya muna. Kasi parang anong gagawin ko dito? Will I leave the country, pack my bags, and just try my potential abroad and see where that leads me? And experience an unknown path and live alone, independently, etc. Or continue ko na yung na-plant kong seeds dito sa Pilipinas. And then another year or two passed by. Yung application niya na yun, mag-expire na. And sabi niya sa sarili niya na he decided to fly and to go to Canada and to finally spread his wings because he wanted to experience new things. And ganun kasi, he's a dreamer. And then, kaming mga kaibigan niya, I was like, go. Like, leave and ride that plane. Try, discover, and explore. And then, all of his friends said that to him. That's the same. All of us, we just said, like, yes, like, don't stay here. At sabi niya sa amin, up until he went to the airport, until he was already seated on that plane, still trying to call all of his friends, his family, and none of them said that he shouldn't be doing this. Sabi niya sa akin na parang, kung may isa lang talaga sa inyo na nagsabi na magsistay ako dito, he would have stayed. And none of us did. Because we believed in him. And we believed that he could achieve bigger things. Because true enough, years later, he became the valedictorian in Alberta. I remember it's in Alberta, Canada. And this friend of mine is truly an inspiration to me because dahil din sa kanya, I made some big decisions in my career that, since he rode that plane, why shouldn't I try doing this? Why shouldn't I bet on myself as well? My point is, if you have the right support system, if your circle just truly wants what's best for you, and it's just so empowering, and you'll feel like there are no limits in what you can do. Because our friends, our circle, sila dapat yung naghihila sa atin pataas, hindi yung naghihila sa atin pababa. So just like that story, kung tayo man yung sasakay ng plane, or kung tayo man yung sumusuporta sa kaibigan natin, dapat pinipili natin kung sino yung mga kaibigan natin. Kasi how high we achieve and how high our friends dream is how also ambitious we become. And it's really who we surround ourselves with. It's in contradiction of the crab mentality here in the Philippines that yun na nga, kinakancel na natin yung thinking na yun na hindi dapat tayo mga ambisyosa. And it's okay to be ambitious. It's okay to dream big. It's okay to want to win and to want to succeed and achieve grand things in life. But if you're in the wrong circle, then it's almost impossible to see that. We should always remind ourselves that our circle should be also a safe space. They're the ones that pwede nating sabihan ng mga deepest, darkest truths in our lives. Because as humans, it's hard to carry things alone. We are incapable of experiencing this world without any sort of help. And as someone who likes carrying things alone and experiencing things alone and independently, kailangan meron pa rin tayong mga karamay sa buhay. We should always find people who can tell we should find people na kaya rin sabihin sa atin yung mga tama sa mali, yung hindi nag-hesitate sabihin sa atin na, oh, this is not something that you should be doing. This is not helpful for you, or you're not in the right mindset right now. This is not who you are. Or sila rin yung makakapagsabi na, yeah, keep doing that. I know it's tough. I know it's been hard, but stay the course and just trust the process. There are other people also that will just continue to give you confidence and to boost that morale of yours. They are the right circle for you. They are the right support system. It's our job to kind of differentiate these people and to segregate them. Because para sa atin lang din yun eh. Tayo lang makakapagsabi nun. You have to trust our guts, trust our instincts, and trust that we are able to see through other people kung ano yung intention nila sa buhay natin. Some are present in our life just for show. Some are present in our life kasi kailangan ka nila. Pero pag kailangan mo na sila, wala naman din dun sila. Dapat kilala din natin yung mga taong yun. And we should be able to manage our expectations and standards when these things happen or when these people are in our lives. So, parang finding the right partner lang din yun sa buhay. Choose the right people, choose your friends, and protect yourself from the people that will drag you down. Yeah, that's it for this one, guys. For the In the Stone team, Crossroads, my name is Baileys. I'll see you in the next one. UGs.
This is Crossroads Media.